Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So we are starting with Vuex tutorial. So in my previous video I've shown you introduction regarding Vuex. So in this video we will be going to install Vuex and why do we need Vuex. So we will be discussing these two in this video. So let's get started with today's video. So firstly let's get started with the installation of Vuex, and for that we will be creating a new project only. So I have created one directory, that is Vuex tutorial, and now using command let's create our Vue project first, and then inside that we will be installing Vue. So for creating Vue project, write command npm create Vue at the rate latest. So this will install latest version of Vue. So you can see it started installing. So select yes for every option that you can see, and at last you can see it says done, and you can see new directory is created, that is Vue project. So inside Vue project you can see there is public, src, gitignore file, index file is there. So now let's move to directory Vue project, and inside that you can see we need to run npm install. So this will install node modules here, and after that it says you need to run npm run dev command that will run your server basically. So still npm install is going on, so it's completed now, you can see. So now let's run our server. So running this command you can see there is url, you can open that url localhost with port 5173, and here you can see it says it's a welcome page of Vue. So you can see now Vue is installed. So you can see this in code in src folder in components app.vue. You can see there is a hello world that is imported, then welcome page is also imported. So one side you did it, you can see in bold, and other side welcome page is there. Now let me open in component also this hello world. You can see you have successfully created a project with the Vue and welcome page also. So these all are visible from here, these two components. So if you want to customize or want to remove, you can do it according to your need. So now main.js you can see where our app is getting created. So now let's move to package.json. So here now you can see only Vue is there, so we need to install Vuex. So with Vue here, Vuex will be visible after installing with its version. For Vite configuration you can go to vite.config.js file. So here you can find all the configurations. So now let's quickly move to installation of Vuex. So I'm showing you documentation of Vuex. So here you can see how you can install using npm. So there is command for that. So I'm just copying and paste here. Let's say, so it says npm install Vuex at the with save option. So it's installing now. So it will not take that much time. You can see now it's installed. Oh, okay. I installed in outside directory. I need to go inside Vue project, so I need to remove these node modules. So now let's go to again Vue project, and now let's run the same command npm install Vue at the rate next save. So now you can see Vuex it's added in package.json. So now we have installed Vuex, but now let's see why do we need Vuex. So here I'm considering that you have basic knowledge of Vue here, and when you are sending props, so let's say one component to child component and then another child component, and let's say 4 levels or 5 levels of child component. But if you want to send that child component, if anything changed in that, then sending to parent component, it will be a kind of hectic thing, because then you need to send data to 4 up levels. So there it will be a lot of more code also, and it will be somewhere, if you break it will be hectic to solve. So that's why Vuex is necessary, because same data directly, because Vuex provide a centralized store. So there your, if you are changing in child component also, it will be stored in that particular store only. So if parent component want to use that, so it will directly get it from store, and no like middle layer of interaction, middle components will be of no use there. So if several child component, then data sending to parent will be a complex job, where Vuex make it so where Vuex is beneficial because it creates globally one store, so there you can access directly. And also using props, it will have complex code, and Vuex will be having simplified code. So that's why if your app is having complex shared data between components, then use Vuex. So that's all in this video. In this video, I've shown you how to install Vuex and why you need Vuex. So I have created diagram also to simplify explaining that why Vuex is necessary. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.